today. Oh, that's better, that's better. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Back in the summer, a friend of mine hit me up on Instagram on one of my tie-dye posts, and they said, oh, hey, is that HWI? I went, no, it's just a spiral. Now that I know what it means, today I'm going to take you on my journey of doing hot water immersion tie-dye, and we'll see what the results are. Are you ready? I don't know what to expect. Come on, camera. I know. Wake up, baby. Thank you. So I have 2 pieces of fabric. I don't really want to waste a t-shirt if this doesn't work. So for the first piece of fabric, we're going to spiral. And I really hope that this is cotton and not a poly blend, because this is some recycled that I have. So this is going to be an adventure all the way across the board. So I'm going to spiral this real quick. So I'm going to grab the middle, I'm going to pinch, and I'm going to do a clockwise turn, and it's going to spiral around my fingers. Good enough. And then for this piece of fabric, get a crinkle. Just doing 2 quick designs. I probably should have cut a bigger piece of fabric. So I have my little spiral, and I have my little crinkle on our test fabric. I'm going to use just some random, I'm going to do liquid dye on the spiral, and I'm going to do powder on the crinkle. Remember, when you're working with powders, wear your masks. Take care of yourself so you live longer and you can tie-dye longer. So I have to choose my colors. These will be natural fiber Procyon dyes, as always, soaked in soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more, and then wrung out in the washing machine till damp, as always. Same-o. What we are going to do different is we're going to be adding the soda ash powder on top of, like when we did the snow dyeing. If you watched that video, we're going to give it a boost with this soda ash. I just poured some in a cup. And the colors that I'm playing with, the liquid colors, are dragon fruit, lilac, parakeet, celadon, golden yellow, and robin's egg blue. That's going to be my liquid dyes. That's a lot of color for just this little spiral, but I didn't know what to expect, so I just kind of, you know, over-prepared. And then I want something bright for this. So, oh, hey, let's layer up. Let's layer up. So I'm going to use coral pink. I'm going to use hot pink. And we'll go up to, ooh, okay, let's go up into maroon. We'll take it up. We'll do all 3 in that red palette. So that's that. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Are we ready? Okay. So here's our, I'm going to leave them side by side. So we're going to do a little pie piece of the golden yellow. Don't have a lot of room to work in. And like I said, I hope that this is cotton. So I'm going to do a little pie piece here. And next to that, I'm going to go with the celadon, because these two play really pretty together. There's a pie piece of celadon. And then we're going to take the celadon over to the, yes, the robin's egg here. And then the dragon fruit over here. There we go. Yeah. That's going to be pretty. And then we're going to sprinkle some soda ash across the top. Give it a boost. I don't know how much. We'll say that's enough. Okay. Then I'm going to start with my lightest color, my coral pink. And we're going to do this like we did our snow dye. So I got some coral pink, and I'm just going to do a layer of that. And I'm going to build on my layers. So there's my coral pink. And then my hot pink is next. I don't need to be doing a teaspoon of each color. This is so small. And then top it off with some maroon. Okay. And then, just like before, soda ash across the top. Give it a boost. Okay, now I've got my kettle and I've got my hot water, and we are going to slowly pour the hot water over and then the same on our powder. Oh, it's hard to go slow. You really should just drizzle. Now we wait about 15 minutes till it's absolutely cool to the touch, and we turn it over and we do the exact same thing on the other side. So hang on. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. These are completely cool to the touch, and I'm going to turn them over. They're really saturated from the water, but we're going to do it again because that's how I understand it works. So I'm just going to hit where I hit before with my golden, my dragon fruit, my robin's egg, and my celadon, and then my soda ash, and then the same over here. I'm going to go with coral pink first. Hot pink. And maroon. And a little bit soda ash. Okay. Let me get the kettle. Okay, it's been about 15-20 minutes. These are cool to the touch. Let's rinse them out. What? Ah! What is this magic? Look, there's no color loss. What is this magic? There's no color loss. Look. Oh, there's no off season for tie-dye. Okay, let's do the other one. This had a lot, yeah, because this was the powder. Holy cow, that maroon really took over. Oh my God. I'm not stopping here. I've got t-shirts. Okay, I can't with this. I can't. I'm gonna do the same. Oh, I need my buckets. Okay, we're gonna do the same like before. I'm gonna do the same colors in this spiral and then the same colors in like we did with the fabric, right? Okay, so we're gonna do this pie piece. Okay, and here's our water, and I'm going to be in your view, and I'm sorry. Okay, now we leave them till we can touch them. So 15 minutes, we'll flip them over and we'll do the same thing. Oh, okay, so they're completely cooled. And I'm going to flip them over. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side. This is real saturated here. I might stay away from the maroon on this side and just put, I think, a hot pink, because this is really saturated. But you can see we need to do a lot more here. So I'm gonna go back in with that golden. Yeah, we're cool. Okay, let's go wash. Oh. I'm so impressed at the lack of bleed out of color. Oh my God, I don't know that I'll ever go back to like tie-dye the same way again. We still gotta wash it though. We still gotta wash it. You see, look, look. How many washouts have we done where it's just so much color? There's none. There's none. Oh, do you see this? Oh my, I have no words. I have no words. Look at this. What size is this? It's not my size. Damn it. Okay, wait. What's next? Can we talk? Can we talk? Do you see this? First, here's our fabric that we did. And this is the coral, the hot pink, and the maroon on the piece of fabric. Do you see? Better than any crinkle, better than any ice dye, in a fraction of the time. And then here's our little spiral. My lighting, the lighting is messed up. I'm sorry, this is not true representation of color here. That helps. Oh, this is better, this is better. But do you see? And we, you know, we didn't stop there because we had t-shirts. Do you see the difference in the fabric? So this is a sheet. So it's, you know, just probably a 400 count cotton sheet. So it's very thin, right? And then in the difference in the fabric between the sheet, because I did these t-shirts just the same. Here's the sheet and the colors. And then look how vibrant it came out on these t-shirts, on this heavy cotton. Look how, do you see? This is a youth size. I'm so mad. Do you see how absolutely gorgeous? Look how bright. Look, vibrant. These colors are hot. It's just stunning, absolutely stunning. All of this together, all 4 pieces, 5 hours total. Between 5 hours total, as opposed to 3 days in the winter, 3 to 5 days in the winter, 24 or better in the summer. I'm gonna be real hard pressed to go back to a traditional tie-dye and do a lot more of the hot water immersion. Oh my gosh, what did you guys think of this today? Hey, if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put it in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. Channels loaded with all kinds of information, and now there's going to be even more tie-dye because I don't have to wait for the weather, and I'm so excited to share it with you. And remember, be peaceful, be kind, it's important. Try something new today. Who knows, you might like it. I'll talk to you soon.